Good morning. The next article is expression for amplitude modulated voltage. Expression for amplitude modulated voltage. We know whenever we talk of modulation, two voltages are required. One is carrier voltage, other is modulating voltage. Let the modulating voltage be given by small em is equal to capital Em into cos omega em t, equation number 1, where Em is amplitude of modulating voltage, omega m the angular frequency of modulating voltage. Em is instantaneous value Em amplitude of modulating voltage, omega m angular frequency of modulating voltage, small em instantaneous value of modulating voltage. After that, EC is equal to capital EC into cos omega Ct plus theta, equation number 2, where capital EC amplitude of carrier voltage, omega C angular frequency of carrier voltage, theta phase of carrier voltage. Modulating voltage is given by Em is equal to capital Em cos omega mt, equation number 1. Capital Em is amplitude of modulating voltage. M, these subscripts are used for modulating voltage. C, these subscripts are used for carrier voltage. So Em is amplitude of modulating voltage, omega m is angular frequency of modulating voltage, small em is instantaneous small em is instantaneous value of modulating voltage. Small ec is equal to capital EC cos omega Ct plus theta, equation 2, where capital EC is amplitude of carrier voltage, omega c is angular frequency of carrier voltage, theta is phase of carrier voltage. Here there is no role of theta in amplitude modulation, and therefore let us ignore this theta, and equation 2 may be written as EC is equal to capital EC into cos omega Ct, equation number 3. What is definition of amplitude modulation? It is the process in which amplitude of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. According to this definition, the expression for amplitude modulated voltage must be E is equal to EC plus KA small em cos omega ct. This EC is varied as EC plus KAEM. What is EM? Instantaneous value of modulating voltage. What is definition of amplitude modulation? It is the process of production of a waveform in which amplitude of carrier voltage is varied in accordance with instantaneous value of the modulating voltage, and therefore expression for amplitude modulated voltage must be E is equal to EC plus KA small em cos omega ct. Equation number 4, where this KA is proportionality constant for amplitude modulation. K for proportionality constant, A for amplitude modulation. Ka is the proportionality constant for amplitude modulation, and it decides the amount of variation in EC in accordance with small em, the instantaneous value of the modulating voltage. Em is given by equation 1, so let us substitute RHS of equation 1 for this Em. So the expression for amplitude modulated voltage will be E is equal to EC plus Ka into Em cos omega Mt bracket complete into cos omega Ct. This is for the, if this EC is taken common, we will have this equation as 1 plus Ka into Em divided by EC into cos omega Mt bracket complete cos omega Ct. Equation number 5. Ka into Em divided by Ec is a constant. Let us write this constant as Ma. Equation number 6. Ka is a constant, proportionality constant for amplitude modulation. It is constant for the given system used for modulation. Okay. For given wave Em, for given modulating wave Em is constant, for given carrier wave Ec is constant, and therefore Ka into Em by Ec can be taken as some constant Ma. This Ma is known as modulation index of amplitude modulation, modulation factor of amplitude modulation, or depth of amplitude modulation. What is this Ma? This Ma is modulation index. This is nothing but modulation factor. This is also called depth of modulation. Ma, the constant given as K into Em by Ec, is known as modulation index. It is also known as modulation factor. It is also known as depth of modulation. Percentage modulation is given by Ma into 100. Percentage modulation is given by Ma into 100. So let us use equation 6 in equation 5. If we use equation 6 in equation 5, we will have equation 5 as E is equal to Ec into 1 plus Ma cos omega mt bracket complete cos omega ct, equation number 7. And this is the expression for amplitude modulated voltage. This is the expression for amplitude modulated voltage. It's so simple. Hope you got it. What next is waveform of amplitude modulation. After that, frequency spectrum of amplitude modulation, then power in amplitude modulation. We shall study these things one by one in the coming lectures. Hope you got it. Thank you.